friends, I'm Martina Stefanini and I come from Italy. As you know, Italy is one of the most affected countries by coronavirus, so we are living in a very difficult period, but we are positive and we are looking forward a fast recovery of the entire nation. And I hope you are safe at home, as luckily I am, and I'm safe at home with my family, and I'm taking advantages of this strange period to spend some quality time with my family, with my daughters, and from the other side to focus my job more on research topics and on learning new things, reading new papers. And for that reason today I would like to suggest you 3 topics that you should read and that you should go through thanks to the ITI Academy, because from my point of view, since I am a periodontist as a background, I think that soft tissues around implants are one of the most important aspects to take into consideration when we are planning an implant restorative therapy. So what I would like to suggest you as topics in these desert island topics are the soft tissue integration of dental implants, a new concept in biological width space, because I think that to start learning the anatomy and the biology of the soft tissue is the key to really understand how to get, and this is the last topic that I want to suggest you, tissue stability around implant. So you need to learn exactly the anatomy of the soft tissue that surround the implant, and in that way you can understand how to improve your surgical procedure, how to improve your prosthetic restoration in order to obtain a final great result for you and for your patient in terms of soft tissue stability and in terms of aesthetic. I hope you will enjoy these 3 topics, and I hope to see you soon personally after this long quarantine period. Bye!